Hey friends, we are going to be doing the double ball staff today. Double ball staff is a great movement to include as part of your calisthenic and or Qigong practices. The movement we're doing today looks like this. So we call it the salute. Let's break it down a little bit to what it involves. So if we start from, we call this our ready position or guard position. What we have is holding the ball on the side and it comes up right behind my shoulder. So from there, we come out in front, swipe it across, up and out. And as we're dropping it down, we swing it around. So we get a continuous movement. So you're letting the fingers be relaxed enough that the ball is moving through your fingers. Don't have a death grip on the ball. Then when you're ready, you're going to do a hand shift, which is as simple as that. And then you reverse it and you go in the opposite direction. So cross the midline and up and out. Cross the midline, up and out. Let's do one more hand shift and reverse. Now when you're ready for a little variation, what you can do is hand shift, back and forth. The double ball staff, amongst other things, is excellent for increasing not only digital dexterity, but also strength in your grip. And then back into our movement with a hand shift, one round to a hand shift, one round to a hand shift. So you've got several variations that you can include. You want your movements to be smooth. And when you're ready, you close it in the guard position. Make it fun, live free, and stay strong.